Okay, go back. Go back. Okay, let's do that. So in this case, we have transformation. So we have transformation. So transformation. That is T. That is indicated as transformation in this representation A to representation B. In this case, we got T equal to the simple matrix 0, -1, and 1, 0. Okay. Now we are looking for transformation. We are for transformation backward, B to A. Yeah, that is preference. So that's why I think A. I think UN should work out this transformation before they talking to different representatives. Okay. Otherwise, they don't know what they're talking about.
Yeah, exactly.
Every head of state and jump to the UN assembly to make a speech, but they're talking about different issues.
Exactly.
Okay. Representation, yeah, certainly we're looking inverse. That's why, obviously, inverse. So, but we are lucky because we know this transformation now. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Inverse. So our question is, what would be to answer this question? Now, one thing is certain. Okay, one thing is certain. If we move backward and in backward, but one thing is certain that I can tell you. So if you have any vectors, F, okay. So if you transport that and then transport it again, what would happen?
Equals F.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing. Yeah.
Nothing will happen. Forward, backward, nothing will happen.
Yep.
So therefore, we can conclude logically. So this guy is equivalent to a unit vector.
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
So that is starting point. That is starting point. In this case, the inverse is called inverse. This inverse, the inverse matrix of matrix just T matrix T. Okay. Now, can we set up the mathematical equation to solve this puzzle? What is T?
Yes.
What is it inverse? Do we know T? Do we know T?
We do know
we
T.
Do.
Yes.
We do T, yeah.
And we do know the unit. So we need to do some algebraic manipulation to get
we need to set up equation first. Set up equation.
Okay. So would that be T? Oh, sorry, I'm going to turn on my pen. T -1 multiplied by 0 -1.
Yes, good.
1, 0.
Yeah.
Equals 1, 0, 0, 1.
Okay, you're there. Yeah, on the track. Yeah, on the right track. Yeah.
Yep. So therefore, I don't know how to put a matrix on the other side because you can't divide.
But we can assume oh, that's right. Good question. If you know that, then you can. Well, that's right. If you know how to use divide, then you are actually if you know the divide, you can solve this without further discussing. But doesn't matter. Can we just assume? Can we just just assuming? Can we just make some assumption? Assuming the inverse we are looking for equal to ABCD. Okay, can we say yes. ABCD? Or you can use any other letters, doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay, so I think I might actually be able to figure this out.
Yeah.
Maybe. So it's actually A, B, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Where's my eraser? Undo. A, B, C, D by 0, -1, 1, 0.
Good.
Equals 1, 0, 0, 1. So that means that.
Oh no! You take it easy. You just write left-hand side first.
Okay.
We don't have dealing with the right-hand side because right-hand side is a given, is known. The only thing we need to manipulate is the left-hand side so that we can compare with the two. Because the product of this will give the 4x4, 2x2, isn't it? 2x2. So basically, this multiply will give us this one. Can we just erase this? Can we just write down here? So basically, we will get, in principle, we'll get the 2x2. Do you agree? I make it larger. Okay.
Yeah.
So your job is to finish this 3. Can you see?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure, I can do that.
Yeah.
So that's going to be A, E. Oh, sorry, A. Oops.
A times 0.
Take that back.
A times 0.
Yep. A 0 plus E -1.
Yep. That's the first element. Yeah.
Element. Then. Sorry, I need to. So that's going to be the new I-hat.
Yeah.
In here, and then we go A. Oops, no. A.
Which is A times 1. Yeah. A times, yeah.
E 0.
Let me see. Yeah. Huh.
No.
Where does this come from? Where does this come from?
Oh no, I was going A.
B times C. To obtain this element, you need the B. Can you see? I just draw your attention.
Yes.
You need the B multiply 0, which is 0. B and D multiply -1.
And then D -1.
Yeah. So this one is be cancelled. Is be cancelled. Okay. Negative sign. Negative sign.
Yes.
Negative sign.
Yes. Let me erase that, and I'll do it again.
Okay.
So that's going to be yes. B. Oops.
0. That's 0.
B,
okay.
Yeah. Plus D times -1.
Just D. Yeah. Just D. -1. Multiply. Right? Do you mean multiply? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Multiply. Multiply.
Okay.
And then for the next one, we're going to have A1 plus E0, B1 plus D0.
Okay, I just refine your
sorry.
notation here. Doesn't matter. I just refine your notation here. Okay. Let's multiply. Okay. What is the result? What is the result?
Is going to be negative E, negative D.
Good.
And
That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Oh, another 4. Another 2.
Yeah. A and B.
Yeah. That's left-hand side. Okay. So this one, then you can get 4 numbers from compare. So therefore, we have negative E. Is this E or?
Yeah, that's E.
E. C. Sorry, this is C, right?
I'm sorry. Yes.
Yeah,
C.
C.
Sorry.
C. Okay.
Sorry,
okay.
my writing's so bad.
Okay, that's a C. That's a C. Then next to D. Okay, and we got A. What is A? A, B here. Yeah.
A, B. Yep.
Okay. So this must be equal to right-hand side. Okay. Right-hand side is given 1, 0, 0, 1. Is that simple?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So what is A, B, C, D? What is A? What is B? What is C? What's D? Simple. Just comparing. Comparing two sides.
Right. It's going to be negative C is going to be.
What is A? Can we just check that? This is 0. Okay.
Sure,
This A. A is correspond to this corner. Can you see? A is corresponding just corner, so A is corresponding to this corner. So it is A is 0. Can you write it down here? 1 is 0. So what is
A
B?
is
So
0.
this is B. B is what? 0 here.
1.
Yes.
Yep.
So what
C
what is C? Yes, C is here. So C negative C equal to 1. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we have done it. We have constructed that inverse. Can you see what is inverse now?
Yes. I see. Okay.
So what is inverse? So that's finally, so what? So therefore, we got the inverse. Inverse were equal to. Can you feel these 4 elements?
Yep.
Here?
Yep. It's going to be 0, -1, 1, and 0. Wait, where's my D? Yeah, 0.
Yep. That's right. Cool,
Cool.
right? We got everything. Yep. We got, we got 2 things. We got, T is n and T2 is given. So this is not a question mark anymore. We got a definite answer. Can you see? That you can just copy your result here. That's from no formula, just intuitive, right?
Yep.
Solve that. Okay. Right. Now just consolidate this discussing. Can we just do some? Can we just go to the general formula to find the inverse? Okay. Do you want to see this one? So yes, in general, so given this is one similar result, but we just say consider how to find the general formula for inverse, for an inverse. The inverse 2 by 2, not 3 by 3 yet, 2 by 2 matrix.
Yep.
Okay, step 1. So giving a matrix, say T equal to, or just go to, you can put any, so T is, can we call is T11, T12, because this notation is important. So I will take opportunity to use this notation all the time. That will keep you track of the row and the column. Okay. Given that case, so what would be the question is, what would be T inverse? Do you want to try?
Yes. Let me have a think. T inverse is going to be.
By definition, what is inverse? How to define an inverse matrix?
It's going to be T by, how to define?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So basically, it says by definition. So you put by definition, by definition.
Yeah.
So the T inverse multiply the T will equal to unit vector.
Oh, right. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
That will equal to, that's equal to definition, 1, 0, and 0, 1. Oh, that's good. You see,
okay.
I give just before we just go to failure. So this is very interesting. See, this diagonal one can be built by 2 matrices. I notice you have used this or not. Can be used as 2 vectors. Can you see? Can we use 2 vectors? Can you see 1, 0? You see, and this is 0, 1. Okay. Or in you just can be written as 1, 0 plus 0, 1. Yep. That's a good idea. So in other words, we can use, in principle, we can use a pair of the base to build the matrix. Okay, that's very important. This is a unit vector, so this is basis. So these are the bases. These 2 are the base, bases. Okay, I'll talk about next time, but it's very important. You see, so basically we have this. We can use a basis, and to build a matrix, which can be used. Which can be used to build our transformation, and sometimes it's just one of them. It could be the transformation or it's inverse. Okay.
I see.
We'll talk about this big idea next time. Can we just finish this first? Okay.
Sure. Yep. So which means sorry, T11, T12, T21, T22.
Yeah.
By
oh yeah, you have to put the inverse sign here, because if you just copy that, you have to go on.
Yep.
I don't interrupt you. What are you trying to
do?
No,
I didn't. I actually.
Oh yes, that's right. Okay.
Thank you for reminding me.
Okay. Okay.
T22 equals.
Yeah. No. Yep. Again, it's insignificant.
Oh yeah.
We just keep trying to simplify the left-hand side first.
Yep. Equals.
So these are left-hand side.
Mm-hmm.
We'll simplify this.
It's going to equal. Okay.
Yeah, this could be not, because there are no zero terms. So the expect is a longer term. There's two terms polynomial.
Yeah. T11. Yes, plus T11 by T.
T12, sorry, T1.
Sorry.
T21, yes, 221, multiply this guy. So basically you follow this timeline. Not time, it's just the flow. Can you say use these two? You use these two, multiply these two, that will give this one. Yep. That will give this one. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, so sorry, T12. Yeah, sorry, T12. Yeah. And then the next one is going to be T21.
Yeah.
By T11 plus T22.
Yeah.
T22 times.
Yeah. I use color. I use a color to keep your record.
Very helpful. Yep. Oh, sorry, that's not what I was trying to do. Then the next one's going to be T1 by T12 plus T12 plus T22.
Yep.
And then finally, T21 by T12 plus T22, kind of squared. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, that's the longer term, because we're looking for general problems. Okay. Well, we are doing the ground task. The general formula is a big deal. A general formula can be applied to solve any other inverse problem. So that's why. Okay. How many equations can we obtain? This is the right-hand side. So this is left-hand side. So you can imagine how many equations can we build?
Yes.
What is right-hand side? Right-hand side is simple, right? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Can I just help you to write this equation? One of that, you need to write a 4. So basically, if you compare this with this 2, so if you compare these two, we got this equation. So we got T11. Can we just write T11 plus T12 multiply T21? We're equal to what? Equal to 0. It's not 0 equal to 1. Can you see?
Yep.
Okay. Similarly, the second equation we can build is T21 multiply T11 plus T22 plus T21. What is equal to? So these very elements.
0.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Can you build another 2 equations?
Yep. Sure. We have T11 times T12 plus T21 T21 times T12.
Yeah. T21. The third one, you mean T11, T21, T21, T12. Sorry.
Okay. That should be 1.
1. There should be 1 here. There should be 1 here.
Mm-hmm.
I write down the red card. There should be 1. There should be 2, right?
Yes.
It's a 1, 2. Okay, this should be 1. Say this is 1, 1. This is 1, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Multiply the 2, 1. What's the 1? You're looking for. Are you looking for this side? Are you looking for this one?
Yes, I was looking
T11. So can we just check that? T11. So T11 multiply T12. That's right. T12. And next would be T21. T12. And T12. Is that a T21 multiply T22? You see, there's some mistake here.
Yep.
Equal to 1. Okay.
Yeah.
I leave Patrick. It's time's up. I leave this for your homework. Okay, for your homework. Okay. So next time I will see if you can find the formula. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Thank you very much. It sounds good.
Welcome. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. I'll see you next week.
See you next week. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.